Hey, Superhairpieces, it's Steven. I've already cleaned all the glue off the piece, removed the glue. I didn't blow dry it, but I've already taped it, put the new tape on there. And I go between using the glue and using the tape. It all depends on how I feel. Now that the humidity is going away, it's going to be, the tape will hold a lot longer for a longer period of time. I use the C22 solvent to remove the glue and clean my head and clean the piece. I use the Walker tape, lock sealer, and I normally spray on a spray that allows you to kind of slide it around and get it in the right spot. I can't find that bottle anywhere, so we're just going to wing it by slapping on and hope it's in the right spot. So anyhow, this is me before, obviously. And then, after you do it for a while, and I've been doing this for a couple years, you kind of start to get an idea of how to line it up with your head. You'll know exactly where to put the front and how to roll it back and everything. I've got like this little V right here. I usually try to get the hairpiece right kind of above there. So let's see what happens. Yep, it's in the right spot. And I'm also changing up the way my hairstyle is because I was starting to develop a little bit of a bald spot on one side there. So I have to comb and flip everything the other direction. But I can feel that it's in the right spot. There's like little guides, there's like little markers. You can feel where it is and you'll know that it's in the right place. So anyhow, that's how it comes out afterwards. Again, like I said, I gotta kind of redo the styling so it goes over to one side versus the other. But it's in place, and that tape's going to hold on there for a week to 10 days, and we'll do it all over again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I feel much better when I have it on, and I'll see you soon.